So I'm using Liquitex Basics. I got a green, because I'm gonna make a monster of sorts, a three-eyed monster. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the paint down and stick these in. I'll grab the brush and I'll put some paint around the edges. I like it. Alright, let's let that dry and continue on in a minute. Hey guys, I'm just adding the final details to my little monster creature. And he is pretty crazy looking. That's his legs. Yeah. So I hope you had fun painting with me. What do you think so far? Let's do some close-ups. I might add some black, I'm not sure yet. That's a crazy looking bug. And check out his 3D eyeballs. They stick right off the canvas. Same with his mouth. His mouth is Play-Doh. They got the eyeballs. Crazy looking mosquito bug.
Mirror, mirror on the wall, what should I create? I'm at a standstill. Do something with the mirrors, you idiot! Okay!
Okay.